Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide mini is Father Winston from the Dead West set. He was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with Ancient Forest for his coat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I used Wyvern green as the base for the remaining clothing. For his hair and collar, I used Vallejo's black grey. All of the leather parts get a quick once over with Cuirass leather. As always, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. Since I didn't know what colour to do the rifle stock, I went with this as I'm just hoping the wash tones it down a little bit. For his face, I went with Barbarian Brawn as the base colour. Now onto the highlights. I get started with dark green grey for the green. This gives it that more desaturated look like the artwork. The longest part now is reddish grey as the highlight for his coat. His face gets a quick highlight with Dwarven skin, just to bring up all of those prominent parts. Now for the metallics, I went for Surcoat Silver over all of these parts. To wash the Mini, I used Archaic Sepia wash over everything, and just made sure not to let it pool too much and whip that off once it started doing that. Finishing up, I added sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Father Winston. The green might be a bit too bright, but I do like how the jacket came out. It sort of has that dirty leather look that I was going for. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want to take a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.